Hey everyone, let's get right into it. If you've ever felt like life is just this constant roller coaster of problems and emotional ups and downs, well, you're in the exact right place. Today, we're going to look at some highly practical, deeply fascinating psychological facts that basically act as a cheat sheet for simplifying life's daily emotional chaos. If we start to really lean into these facts and concentrate on them, you'll be amazed at how those incredibly tough situations can suddenly become a whole lot easier to handle.
I mean, let's be honest here. Have you ever felt like daily life is just way too complicated? It is completely normal to feel that way. We all face these intense, turbulent moments where everything just feels, a bit overwhelming. Sometimes it's hard to make sense of why we feel the way we do, or why the people around us are acting the way they're acting. It can feel like this uncrackable code. But what if I told you that by simply shifting your focus to a few key psychological realities, you can naturally correct and connect so much of that turbulence? Because let's face it, we all hit the exact same common daily hurdles, right? Navigating the messy world of relationships, trying to interpret what others actually mean by their actions, and of course, managing our own personal stress when things get heavy. These are the pain points that just drain our energy. But we don't have to stay stuck here. There are clear, structured solutions to untangling these everyday behaviors. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for the explainer today. 1. Life's ups and downs. 2. The power of positivity. 3. Decoding love and attraction. 4. Misunderstood behaviors and emotions. And 5. Your emotional first aid. Starting right off with sections 1 and 2, life's ups and downs and the power of positivity. A genuine smile is absolutely a person's best ornament. It just makes complicated things easier. Whether someone is close to you, distant from you, a loved one, or just a total stranger, a good smile makes you infinitely more attractive and approachable. It's actually far more effective than wearing heavy makeup. A smile connects directly at easing your anger and smoothing out your emotions. It genuinely, literally disarms people. And that warmth, it translates directly into our relationships. People who laugh openly and easily often make the best partners. If you know someone whose heart just bursts into laughter quickly and easily, you are looking at someone who is incredibly open-minded. Because they aren't afraid to express pure joy, they actually alleviate distress in a relationship. That open-mindedness makes the entire dynamic of a partnership so much smoother and just far more rewarding. Next up is section 3, decoding love and attraction. So, when it comes to visual attraction, colors play a massive, immediate role. Boys are very quickly drawn to girls who wear striking colors, particularly black and red. It's such a strong psychological pull that people who understand this often find themselves making red, black, or even white their absolute go-to colors for regular wear when they really want to command attention. It's also super fascinating to see how people actually speak when they are attracted to you. If someone truly, genuinely likes you, they will often completely lose their words. They might fumble, they might not be able to find the right thing to say, or they might suddenly blurt out things they never expected to say. They become totally flustered. But on the flip side, someone who is a perfectly smooth talker, who doesn't miss a beat and seems perfectly confident, well, they're usually just experienced players who are highly skilled at the game. Real affection is messy. It lacks that perfectly practiced polish. Moving right along to section 4, misunderstood behaviors and emotions. We're often totally conditioned to think of jealousy as purely toxic, right? But jealousy isn't always a bad thing. Sometimes when your loved ones feel jealous, it is actually a strong indicator that they genuinely care about you. They have deep feelings for you, and that jealousy is really just a complicated manifestation of them wanting to protect their connection with you. And speaking of misinterpreting people, consider aloofness. We often see people who don't mix much, who don't sit right in the middle of a friend group, or who don't participate in gossip, and we instantly label them as arrogant or egotistic. We think, wow, look at their attitude. But that is a massive misconception. Often, these quiet individuals simply despise drama and fake people. Their distance isn't ego, it's a carefully constructed protective shield. They are highly selective and put a lot of thought into who they actually want to be friends with. They just prefer authenticity over blending in with fake interactions. And that brings us to section 5, your emotional first aid. When you're feeling sad, what is your first instinct? For a lot of us, it's to put on sad music. But the psychological reality is that listening to sad songs when you are already down will only make it worse. It connects you to that sadness and reminds you of every other sad thing in your life, totally trapping you in a destructive cycle. The highly effective strategy here is to do the exact opposite. When you are sad, use upbeat, energetic, happy music. Music is an incredibly strong source of emotional energy, and putting on an energetic track will completely flip your emotional state and shift your mood. And what about when someone's words or actions have deeply hurt you? Well, here is a practical, step-by-step venting protocol. Step 1, you experience that emotional hurt. Step 2, instead of just holding it in, write every single feeling down on a piece of paper. Treat that paper like a person you are completely unloading on. If you can't vent it all out verbally to someone, venting it onto paper works absolutely wonders. Step 3, once it is all out on the page, you will feel instantly lighter. It physically removes the burden of those thoughts from your mind.
So I want to leave you with this question. Which of these behaviors will you start noticing in yourself tomorrow? Will you catch yourself reaching for a sad song and choose an energetic one instead? Will you notice a genuine smile totally transforming an interaction? Or recognize that someone's fumbling words are actually a sign of a real crush? By maintaining and following these simple psychological realities, your life can genuinely become so much smoother. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and definitely keep observing the fascinating world around you.